Hey there, this is Pat with The Cupboard. Today our featured artist is Miss Mary Locke. Now Mary lives here in Meadows of Dan, and she is quite the seamstress, but that's just a small part of what she does. So these are a couple of her handbags, totes if you will, and I tell you, the quality is just amazing, and I like to say this is sort of like the Vera Bradley without the Vera Bradley price. She also does small little lined bags. We sell a lot of her over-the-shoulder bags. But she does some other unique things too. These are neck wraps. So you can stick them in the microwave, 35 seconds on high, really, really comfortable. Kind of soothe out some of those aches and pains. This is a unique thing that she makes. It's a microwavable potato cooking bag. Basically, you stick your potato in there, you stick it in the microwave, and it keeps it moist, it stops it from drying out, and it makes it cook evenly. She does baskets, she does totes, and she does a ton of key fobs. These are just really cool. Pretty inexpensive too at $6.99. So Mary Locke here, she is our resident seamstress. There's not too many things that she doesn't do. As a matter of fact, she has just designed a gift basket for us, and so you'll be seeing some of that pretty soon in our features. So again, Miss Mary Locke here at the Country Cupboard. This is Pat signing off.